take this panel off, and then they bolt right there, and back here, and back here, and you're done.
Just take these O2 sensors out, and then take this clamp off, and take that clamp off, and then we should have to take it off the little hanger or whatever.
Pull it off the top?
Huh?
You gonna pull it off the top? Or?
We'll probably have to wiggle it out down here. Ooh, this is gonna be a good time. It's got to be at a certain temperature, and then you use their menu switch to go over to vehicle info, and then you go to oil, hit the oil, you hit the setting to view the oil, and then you put your foot on the brake, and then you bring the RPMs above 2,000 after the oil temperature is above 172 degrees Fahrenheit. And when you bring it above 2,000, it'll give you a time setting for like 30 to 40 seconds. Then you keep the RPMs above 2,000 for 30 to 40 seconds, and it'll give you your oil level reading.